Bula Fiji, I want to show you how easy it is to make this, and this. Just go to the Fijian Made Facebook page and have a look at all the recipes to make chips, jams, and chutneys, just like your bubus. The recipes use what you can buy from the market, like cassava, dalo, kumala, chili, pineapple, tamarind. Everything you need is Fijian grown, so you support our farmers and our sellers when you buy Fijian Made and Fijian grown. Use what you have in your kitchen. No special equipment needed. Just follow what you see and you will get great snacks for everyone. Best part is that it is affordable and you get a lot for your money. So check out the Fijian Made Facebook page and see what you can do. Support Fijian grown and Fijian Made.